Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use stencils templates for blog posts. Here's how to use GetStencil template to create visually appealing blog posts. First of all, log in and start a new design. Go to GetStencil.com and log in to your account. You can create a new design on the blank canvas here. I have already imported a template. You can choose the blog post from here, or you can also add the custom size if you have a specific dimension in your mind for your post. On the left sidebar, click on Templates tab. Browse through the available template, many of which are designed specifically for blog posts. You can search by category or keyword. From the search bar here, select the template that you like. It will open in the editor, ready for customization. Click on the text box to modify the content such as title, heading, or body text. You can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment to match your blog style. If you want different background, click on the Photos tab here. You can choose the images from here to fit the overall theme of your post. You can upload your own background image if needed. Simply click on the Upload tab and upload the image from your desktop. You can also add a relevant icon from the Icons tab. Adjust the spacing, margin, and alignment for text and image to create a clean and readable layout. Ensure that there's enough white space for easy reading, and make sure key information stand out by adjusting text size and boldness. Once your design is complete, review it to ensure it aligns with the tone and style of your blog. Check the text is readable, images are clear, and overall layout is balanced. When you are satisfied with the design, click Save, then click Download to export your image in a format that works for your blog post. Using GetStencil's template is a quick and easy way to make your blog post more visually appealing. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.